My dear children, in this video we are going to see about logical operations and truth table from chapter 2. Here we have three different types of logical operations. First one AND operation, second one OR operation, third one is NOT operation. Here dot is the symbolic representation for AND operation. Next plus is the symbolic representation for OR operation. And over bar is the symbolic representation for NOT operation. Let's see here logical operations. Boolean algebra makes use of variables and operations. These operations also called it as functions. Let's see an example. A and B. Here A, B both are Boolean variables or logical variables. Here AND is our logical operations. Here we have three different types of basic logical operations. They are AND, OR and NOT. The basic logical operations are AND, OR and NOT, which are symbolically represented by dot, dot for AND operation, plus, plus for OR operation, and by over bar for NOT operation. Next point, these symbols are also called as logical operators. Here dot plus over bar, these are all called it as logical operators. These logical operators are used to do some logical operations like AND, OR and NOT operation. Next we can see about truth table. A truth table represents all the possible values of logical variable or statements along with all the possible results of given combination of truth values. Let's see an example for truth table. This is an example for 2 input AND gate truth table. Here we have 2 input variables. A and B both are 2 input variables and Y is our output variable. In 2 input AND gate we have 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 possible input values. First we have considered both as a false. False means 0. True means 1. Here false, false. So given as a 0, 0. Next, second possibility, first one considered as a false, second input considered as a true. In the third possibility, first input considered as a true, second input considered as a false. In the fourth possibility, both input considered as a true, true. So we are given as 1, 1. Here false, false, second false, true, then true, false, then true, true. Each possible input value is also going to generate output based on its combination of truth values. That is given here. A truth table represents all the possible values. In this truth table, these are all possible values. In 2 input AND gate, we have 4 possible input values of logical variables. Here A, B both are input variables and Y is our output variable or statements along with all the possible results. Here these are all our results, output. This output generates based on given combination of truth values. First we can see about AND operator. Here the AND operator is defined in Boolean algebra by the use of dot operator. It is similar to multiplication in ordinary algebra. It is just like a multiplication. The AND operator combines 2 or more input variables so that the output is true only if all the inputs are true. Here we have used 2 input variables. Like that we can have more than 2 input variables also. If all the inputs are true, our output will be true. If any one of the input is false, our output will be false. That is given here. The output is true only if all the inputs are true. Next point, the truth table for a 2 input AND operator is shown below. So this is truth table for 2 input AND operator. If any one of the input is false, our output will be false. First both input are false, so our output is false. This is just like a multiplication. 0 zeros are 0, 0 ones are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. Next, first one is false, second one is true, so output is 0. Here third choice, first one is true, second input is false, so output also false. The fourth possible, both input are true, so output is true. Next, the above 2 input AND operation is expressed as Y is equal to A and B. You have to read it as Y is equal to A and B. Next we can see about OR operator. The plus sign is used to indicate the OR operator. Here we are using plus sign. It is just like a addition. So here we are using plus sign to indicate OR operator. The OR operator combines two or more input variables. Here also we can use two or more input variables so that the output is true if at least one input is true. Here if any one of the input is true, the output will be true. If all the inputs are false, the output will be false. Next one is the truth table for two input OR operator is shown below. Here first both inputs are false, so our output is false. In the second possibility, first input is false, second one is true. If any one of the input is true, output will be true only, so true. Next possibility, first input is true, second one is false, so output is true only. The fourth possibility, we are having both the input as true, so our output also true. Next, the above two input OR operation is expressed as y is equal to a plus b or y is equal to a or b. Next we can see about NOT operator. The NOT operator has one input and one output. Here we are having single input and single output. The input is either true or false. The input is either true or false and the output is always the opposite. If the input is false, the output will be true. The input is true, the output will be false. That is given. The output is always opposite. That is, the NOT operator inverts the input. The NOT operator always invert. Invert means negate the input values. So 0 will become into 1, 1 will become into 0. So it is also called it as inverter. The truth table for a NOT operator where a is the input variable and y is the output variable. Here a is our input variable and y is our output variable. Next point. The NOT operator is represented algebraically by the Boolean expression y is equal to a bar. We have to read it as y equal to a bar. Let us see an example. Consider the Boolean equation d is equal to a or b and c. D is equal to 1, 1 means true if a is 1 or b and c will be 1. That is given D is equal to 1 or true if A is 1 or if B and C is 1. That is B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. This term will become as 0. So if A is 1, the D value will be 1. Otherwise, the value of D is equal to false. False means 0. The basic logic functions AND, OR and NOT can also be combined to make other logic operators such as NAND and NOR. By combining these three logic functions, we can make some other logic operators such as NAND and NOR. Here first we can see about NAND operator. The NAND is the combination of NOT and AND. N-A-N-D, that is NAND operator. The NAND is generated by inverting the output of an AND operator. It is going to invert the output of AND operator. So it is called it as NAND operator. Next point, the algebraic expression of the NAND function is y is equal to a and b the whole bar or y is equal to NOT of a and b. Next point, the NAND function truth table is shown below. This is a truth table for NAND function. Here first we have to find A and B. We know AND means if all the inputs are true, our output will be true. Next, NOT of A and B. NOT means if it is true, we have to consider as a false. If it is false, we have to invert into true. So first one is 0, 0 inverted into 1. Then 0, 0 also inverted into 1. Then 0, 0 also inverted into 1. Next to 1, 1 inverted into 0. This is output for NAND operator. Next we can see about NOR operator. The NOR is the combination of NOT and OR. N-O-R. So it is called it as NOR, which is the combination of NOT and OR. The NOR is generated by inverting the output of an OR operator. The output of NOR is generated by inverting OR operator. The algebraic expression of the NOR function is NOT of A or B or A plus B the whole bar. the NOR function truth table is given below. This is the truth table for NOR function. Here A NOR B is equal to not of A or B. First we have to find A or B. In A or B, if any one of the input is true, output will be true. If all the inputs are false, output will be false. First we have to find A or B. Then we have to negate A or B. In the negation, all the zeros converted into 1, all the ones inverted into zeros. So 0 inverted into 1, all the ones inverted into zeros. It's a truth table for NOR function. My dear children, in this video we have seen various logical operations and its truth table. Its continuation we can see in the next video. Thank you children.